Aloha, YouTubers! It's me, Kinghuman. And in this video, I'm going to turn you on to a way you can make an easy $100 or more by the end of today. This is super easy, and I'm hoping this can help some of you that have been adversely affected by the corona situation. And also watch this entire video because I'm going to give you access to my online income members only website for free. So let's do this. All right, check it out. We're going to come to a website called respondent.io. That's the URL, respondent.io. Page is going to look like this. Come up to the top, click on respondents, and then click on sign up. It's that easy. That's the first step. I'll try and remember to put a link to this website below this video, but let's keep going. Okay, once you get inside your user area, you'll be able to see all these different things that you can do and get paid. Now, this is not one of those survey sites. I talked about a survey site in the past. Some people like those, some people hate them. But they're going to show you different things that you can do based on how you filled out your profile. So where you live and the kind of things you do or the kind of things you know. So I'm just going to scroll through here and test a health app in California. I'm in California. Anyway, check it out. They'll pay $90, takes 70 minutes. Build a website, 40 bucks. I'm not doing that. This is kind of cool. This applies to me. Seeking individuals who have or want to have members only content on their website. 120 bucks for 45 minutes, one-on-one. So you can come through here. You can see there's all kinds of different things in here that may or may not apply to you. And you can see they pay varying amounts of money. I mean, I don't know anybody that's going to do something that takes 50 minutes and only pays 10 bucks, but that can happen. So anyway, there's also a thing up here, keywords. You can type in a keyword. Let's just try something. I haven't tried this yet. So I typed in video. Let's say I was a video editor or something like that. Here, calling all video makers, 20 bucks. That's not great, but okay. Calling demand generation marketers to understand the processes and challenges. Tech company, 120 bucks, 60 minutes. Anyway, I haven't gone through here and vetted this stuff. I do not know what's going on. I haven't done it myself, but you know, who knows? Maybe this is something for you. Maybe it's not. You're going to have to look into it yourself. Yeah, so this is potentially pretty cool, but check this out. There's also another way you can make some dough. Look, refer a friend, earn 50 bucks. So you get an affiliate link. Oh my God. So you get an affiliate link. Watch, I'll just copy this and I'll paste it right under this video so you guys can see this exact listing, right? Individuals who have or want to have members only content on your website. Now, I have people who want that information. These are people that want to build a membership website, right? So they might be interested in this. So I could easily refer people to this gig and potentially make 50 bucks. I just copy it, right? I can also easily click here and just share it in Facebook, Messenger, LinkedIn, or email. So 2 different ways to make money on this one, right? And I did not even know this referral program existed within this platform. So it was kind of a cool little extra find. So anyway, if you want to see how this works, you can click on the link below and it'll be this link. I'll leave it exactly as it looks in here. Usually I like to fix my links, but I'll leave it exactly as it looks so you can see how it works, right? and cool beans, right? So you guys can do exactly what I did. You can come up here to this website, you can sign on, you can come in and find different gigs that you can do yourself or that you can tell other people about, right? So here's one: speak with retail and restaurant executives about your social distancing challenges. So I might go into a restaurant group in Facebook and say, hey guys, check this out. I found this guy who's willing to pay 125 bucks if we go and talk to them about our restaurant challenges. And then you just post this link in the Facebook group, right? So you guys can get creative about how to share these gigs. Watch, I'm going to click on load more, see what else is going on. There are just so many interesting things in here. And again, I have not done this myself. So what can I tell you? Punt and hope for a fumble, right? I'm just trying to help you guys find something that can possibly pay off for you. And everybody's different. You know, nothing works for everyone all the time. So this is that. Now, the other thing I wanted to get you guys in on, and this is something I've never done before. So open your Googles, right? So here it is. I don't know. Maybe you know, maybe you don't know. I have a website, thekinghumanelite.com. It's an online education platform where I teach people how to do what I do, which is make money on demand from anywhere. And I'm doing a test right now where I have changed this platform to give away free memberships, free trial memberships, right? So this is what's going on. If you come in here, and I've limited this, I put a real strict limiter on this because I have to make every one of these free access memberships by hand. And usually that takes me about 24 hours. So do it, don't do it, it's your life, right? I don't know what's going on with you, but I'm just trying to help. This is something I've never done before. So what can I tell you? What do you want from me? I'm just trying to help some people. All right, guys, maximum respect. Share this video, and booyakasha. Cheers.